Adding YouTube to dock in Mac is very easy, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is navigate to the desktop of your Mac, and I need you to ensure that your dock is also sitting at the bottom. I have my dock as hidden, but you need to ensure that it's sitting here, and sometimes you can also have it on the side, but just ensure that you have a dock. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open Safari, and to do that we're going to go to Safari. We're going to click here, we're going to click on new window, and once it loads as a new window, we're going to come to the search bar and we're going to type YouTube. Now once we load our YouTube, what we can do is we can go to the top right of the screen where we see the share button, the add button, and the open new tab button. We're going to click on the share button, and right where we click on it, we're going to see add to dock as one of the options. I think that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th option. We click on it, and it's going to ask us to add. It just needs a name and a link that we want to add to dock, and from here we're going to click on add. And if we access our dock again, we should see YouTube on our dock, and from here once we click on it, it should lead us to our YouTube page. Now that's how to add YouTube to dock in Mac. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.